how to cook it. Let's add the onion and then the garlic and then the ginger. The lemongrass, after that you can put the green beans and the chili together. Then you can put the mixture of coconut milk, tamarind, and the shrimp paste. Just mix it together. And then you can put all the sugar, the salt, and the turmeric powder together. Just stir it up. Give it a while and then put the prawns in. Meanwhile, you can taste whether the seasoning is okay. Okay, a bit salty. So if you don't like salty, you just lessen the salt. And now you can add the tofu. So this is the sambal goreng my mom used to cook during Hari Raya. But sometimes if you don't like prawns or allergic to seafood, you can use meat also. but like beef, but you have to boil it first, make it cook by boiling, and then you put inside the sambal goreng. If not, it's very long for the meat to cook. You have to boil it first. So basically this is it. This is how my mom made sambal goreng during Hari Raya. I hope you try and I hope you like it, and please subscribe because I'll be doing recipe of cooking twice a week. So hopefully you subscribe. Thank you.